Hello students, welcome to Soni Study Centre. In today's class, we will try to learn how to find the place value and face value of a particular digit in a given number. So let us consider a number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 7. This is a number and we will try to find out the place value and face value of each and every digit. So place value of 7 is 7. Place value of 2. After 2 there is only one digit, so 2 and 0. This is the place value of 2 in this particular number. Now we will find place value of 3. Place value of 3. After 3 there are two digits, so place value of 3 is 300, 300. Place value of 4. 4 and after 4 there are 1, 2, 3 digits, so 3 zeros. This is place value of 4 in this particular number. Place value of 5. 5. After 5 there are 4 digits, so place 4 zeros. This is place value of 5 in this number. And place value of 6. After 6 there are 5 digits, so 5 zeros. These are the place value. PV means place value and FV means face value. So place value, write the digit, and after digit how many other digits are appearing, place the number of zeros, and face value is, now face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 5, 5. Face value of 6 is 6. So face value is the digit itself. And place value mein 7, 7, 2. After 2 there is only one digit, so place 1 0. Similarly other digits. We have to find out the place value and face value of a number. Consider another example. Find place value and face value of 7 in given number. And the number is 3, 7, 2, 5, 1. In this number we have to find the place value and face value of 7. So face value is the digit itself. Face value of 7 is 7. And what about place value? Place value of 7. 7. After 7 how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So face value is 7 and place value is 7 000. This is the answer. Consider another example. Find place value of 3 in 7, 3, 2, 3, 1. Now in this number 3 is appearing 2 times. So first we will write place value of 3 bracket at tens place. It is 3 and after 3 there is only one digit, so 30. Similarly place value of 3 at 1000 place. It is 3 and after 3 there is 1, 2 and 3 digits, so this is the answer. It is tens place. It is thousands place. Now find place value and face value of 3 and 7 in given number. And the number is 6, 3, 5, 7, 8, 3. इसका रिप्लाई कमेंट बॉक्स में करिए. 3 और 7 का जो है प्लेस वैल्यू और फेस वैल्यू दोनों लिख के कमेंट बॉक्स में रिप्लाई करना. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Soni Study Centre.